Hello friends, this is your Yoganandam, biology lecturer from Medal Academy YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the mock test paper from biology full syllabus, especially the students those who are preparing for NEET 2021 examination. For them, this video is prepared. By simple listening, you can able to reach your maximum target. Let us continue the question and answer with detailed solutions. All the best. Question number 1. Apogeotropic roots forming an association with blue-green algae are observed in Cycas shows presence of specialized roots called as coralloid roots, which are associated with the nitrogen-fixing cyanobacteria. They are also called as apogeotropic as they grow upwards. So the answer for this question is option A, Cycas. Question number 2. Sweet potato is modified root. Potato is a modified stem. Both these plants are classified in order. Ipomia batatas or sweet potato is a plant which belongs to the family Convolvulaceae. It is also called the morning glory family. Potato belongs to the family Solanaceae. Both are included in the order Polymoniales. Generally, order and other higher taxonomic categories are identified because on the aggregates of characters. Order is an assemblage of families that exhibit a few similar characters. The similar characters are less in number as compared to different genera included in the family. Plant families like Convolvulaceae, Solanaceae are included in order Polymoniales mainly based on their floral characters. So the answer for this question is option A, Polymoniales. Question number 3. What type of nucleic acid found in the viral pathogen that causes mottling and leaf decolorization in the Nicotiana group of plants? The tobacco mosaic virus has the genome of single stranded RNA. These viruses infect a large group of plants, especially tobacco plants, and also many other members of family Solanaceae. This disease caused patches of decolorization and mosaic pattern on leaves as symptom. So the answer for this question is option C, single stranded RNA. Question number 4. From the following list of invertebrates, how many of them are included in the largest marine phylum of animal kingdom? So here there are several species are given. From that, the second largest phylum is phylum Mollusca. It is also the largest marine phylum. Apple snail, pearl oyster, cuttlefish, squid, and devilfish belong to phylum Mollusca. Anopheles, Culex, and Aedes belongs to phylum Arthropoda. Starfish, sea urchin, and sea cucumber belongs to the phylum Echinodermata. So the answer for this question is option D, 5. From the given number of species, 5 species belongs to the phylum Mollusca. Question number 5. Applying the principles of classification given by R.H. Whitaker, Chlamydomonas and Chlorella is added in. Chlamydomonas and Chlorella both can be categorized under the kingdom Protista as they both follow the definition of a Protista. They are unicellular eukaryotes. So the answer is option C, Protista. Question number 6. Hardwoods have. Hardwood is the name of the dicot wood which possesses abundant vessels and are also called as porous woods. The content of tracheids is less than 5% and xylem fibers are abundant. So the answer is option B, vessels in abundance. Question number 7. Read the following statements given about organism formed by association of the picobiont and mycobiont and identify the true ones. Lichens are a symbiotic association of the algae that is generally called as picobiont and fungi mycobiont. The algal partner produces food and the fungal partner provides protection to the algae. The fungi also help in absorption of minerals and water. Lichens generally do not grow in polluted areas, hence they good indicators of pollution. So from the given four statements, statement 1 and 3 are correctly given. So the correct option is B. Question number 8. Determine the animals that has blind sac body plan and intracellular as well as extracellular digestion. Blind sac body plan and intracellular as well as extracellular digestion is seen in Nidaria. Meandriana belongs to the phylum Nidaria. It shows radial symmetry. Taenia, it is commonly called as tapeworm. Citicula, it is commonly called as parrot. And Limulus, it is commonly called as king crab. Them show bilateral symmetry. So the answer is option A. Meandrina. Question number 9. Select the organism that cannot make food with light as a source of energy. Trypanosoma is a flagellated protozoan which is a parasitic in nature. It causes diseases like sleeping sickness. Goniolax is a photosynthetic dinoflagellate. Chlamydomonas is a single-celled algae. Nostoc is a photosynthetic cyanobacterium. So the answer for this question is option C. Trypanosoma. Question number 10. Select the part of the animal body with its correct tissue type. Alveolar air sac has squamous epithelium. The ciliated epithelium is found in the fallopian tube. Cuboidal epithelium in kidney tubules. The columnar epithelium is seen in inner lining the stomach and the small intestine. So the answer for this question is option C. Squamous epithelium, lung air sac. Question number 11. Photosynthetic bacteria have pigments in. The bacterial pigments and carotenoids are present in the chromatopores of the bacteria. These are pigment containing light reflecting cells, groups of cells. In photosynthetic bacteria, chromatopore is a colored pigment containing membranous vesicles that perform photosynthesis. So the answer is option A. Chromatopores. Question number 12. In the given columns, match the plant with their flower based on ovary position. The position of the ovary in a flower can be different for different flowers. Some flowers have superior ovary, it is called as hypogyny, where all other parts of the flower are below it. Such condition seen in China rose. Some flowers have an inferior ovary, it is commonly called as epigyny, where all other floral parts of the flower lie above it. Such condition is seen in cucumber. Some flowers have a half inferior ovary. Such kind of flowers are called as perigynous flowers. Gynism is situated in the center and other parts of the flowers are located on the rim of the thalamus almost at the same level. Such condition is seen in peach. So the correctly matching option is option D. Question number 13. Cells found in the hypodermal layer of dicot stem show all these properties except the collenchyma cells are polygonal or oval in shape. They have thickening of pectin in the cell wall along with cellulose and hemicellulose. The collenchyma cells are found in the hypodermal layer of the dicot stem. These cells have negligible intracellular spaces due to pectin deposition. Collenchyma is said to be the living mechanical tissue. So the answer is option B. Dead at maturity. Question number 14. The stamens are attached to the petals in. The androecium consists of stamens. These stamens can be attached to the petals. This condition is known as epipetalous condition. Such a condition is seen in brinjal. So the answer is option C, brinjal. Question number 15. The amount of the Golgi bodies will highest in. Goblet cells being secretory in function, which have more amount of Golgi bodies and vacuoles as compared to other cells from the options. Golgi bodies are involved in packaging of proteins. The answer for this question is option D. Goblet cells. Question number 16. What are pitfall traps that are seen in the members of genus Nepenthes? In case of Nepenthes, Decidia and Sarcinia, leaf lamina is modified into pitcher-like structure called leaf pitcher. In Nepenthes, the leaf is modified into a hollow cup-like structure which is traps the insect effectively for curing its nitrogen deficiency partially. So the answer is option C, leaf. Question number 17. In the given set of statements regarding the tissue found in animals, determine the option that has the correct combination of true and false statements. Here there are four statements are given. From the given four statements, cartilage is present in the tip of nose, outer ear joints, between adjacent bones of the vertebral column, limbs and hands in adults. Second one, Huddering junction perform cementing to keep neighboring cells together. Third one is compound epithelium cover dry skin surface, the moist surface of buccal cavity, pharynx, inner lining of ducts of salivary glands and of pancreatic ducts. Fourth one, striated muscle fiber is thin, elongated with blunt ends and multiple nuclei. So from the given four statements, statement 1 is true, second is false, third one is true, fourth one is false. So the correct option is option A. Question number 18. All the given properties are found in the meristematic cell except the meristematic cell has certain set of characteristic features. It is generally isodiametric in shape, has a prominent nucleus and abundant cytoplasm. Generally, these cells do not possess vacuoles. Their cell walls are composed of cellulose and are thin to facilitate cell division. The meristematic tissue contains compactly arranged cells. So the answer for this question is option B. Vacuoles is very large and maybe more than one. So except that point, remaining all other given properties are correct. Next question number 19. Yes, a student made the following significant observation for the given cell sample. Cell has large quantities of rough endoplasmic reticulum and many Golgi bodies. Which type of cell can it be? Bacterium is a prokaryote, thus having an organelle like rough endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi body is out of question. Presence of high amount of rough endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi bodies indicates high production of proteins. God cell is part of stomata, which works by imbibing and releasing water, supporting in opening and closing of stomata. Mesophyll, part of leaf in plant, contains high amount of chlorophyll tissue, thus involved in starch production than protein. Lastly, lymphocyte, a type of WBC, is involved in making antibodies which is made protein. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is involved and Golgi bodies helps in secreting out those produced antibodies. So the answer for this question is option C, lymphocyte. Question number 20. Seed dormancy may be due to the presence of dormancy in a seed is the most important characteristic feature. Because of this character, seeds remain viable for many years. Most of the seeds are unable to germinate just after dispersal. They germinate after some time. The time between the maturation and germination of seed is known as the dormancy period. The state of incubated germination as a result of internal causes usually called dormancy. The seed dormancy is of considerable advantage to the plant, which helps in adverse environmental conditions. The embryo remains inactive in this period and all the growth processes suspended temporarily. There are three main basic reasons of dormancy of seed. They are impermeability of seed coat, dormant embryo, germination inhibitors. So the answer for this question is option D. All of these. 21. A cell during the equational division of genetic material will show which of the following events. Here there are three events are given. Mitosis is one of the two divisional phase in cell cycle. It occurs after interphase and is succeeded by cytokinesis. It is commonly called as cytoplasmic division. Mitosis has prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase as the stages of karyokinesis in the same order. So the answer for this question is option D. 2 only. Question number 22. Read the given statement about enzymes. Determine the statements that ensure the specificity of an enzyme for the substrate. Here there are four statements are given. The enzyme is generally made of proteins and the proteins are made up of amino acids. The amino acids have or as a functional group whose variation results in the formation of different amino acids. Due to the R group, the bonding of polypeptide chain in enzyme will differ resulting in formation of various folds and bends in its tertiary structure enabling the making of substrate binding site which is highly specific. So the answer for this question is option C. From the given four statements, statement 1 only. Question number 23. Nitrate formation by the following reaction is accomplished by. The reaction is oxidation of nitrite into nitrate. This reaction is catalyzed by the bacteria Nitrobacter. Nitrosomonas and Nitrococcus are responsible for the ammonia to nitrite. Thiopacillus and Pseudomonas is responsible for denitrification process. So the answer for this question is option C. Nitrobacter. Question number 24. Determine the process that will occur based on the given information regarding two adjacent cells. In such a problem, we must calculate the diffusion pressure deficit. It is commonly called as DPD of the cell A and B formula. DPD is equal to OP, osmotic potential, minus turgor pressure. It is also called suction pressure, net pressure causing water to enter the cell. DPD of cell X equal to 8 minus 6 equal to 2. DPD of cell Y equal to 12 minus 8 equal to 4. Water will always move from a cell with lesser DPD to cell with higher DPD value. That means the movement of water will occur from cell X to cell Y. So the answer is option C. Water will move from cell X to Y. Question number 25. A biocatalyst. Enzyme is a catalyst that reduces the activation energy for a reaction and helps in increasing the concentration of product without any change in energy yield. So the answer is option C. Decreases the activation energy and has no effect on energy yield. Question number 26. A given sample of somatic cell was treated with chemical X. It was found that chemical X inhibits chromatid separation. During somatic cell division process, the treated cell will reach which stage of cell division before being interrupted? X is a colchicine, is a mitotic inhibitor. It does not allow spindle fiber to be formed. Thus, condensation of chromosome will occur and prophase will be completed, but metaphase won't be completed. So the answer for this question is option B, metaphase. Question number 27. Given below is the process to separate the contents of a living tissue by acid treatment and a list of certain observations. Segregate the observations under filtrate A and retentate B and select the correct combination. The given procedure is about a chemical analysis of living matter. Filtrate is the acid soluble pool, while the retentate is a acid insoluble pool. Acid soluble pool has bio micromolecules containing low molecular weight molecules having a molecular weight between 18 to 800 daltons. They are generally monomers such as amino acids, monosaccharides, etc. Acid insoluble pool has a bio macromolecules containing high molecular weight molecules having molecular weight above 800 daltons. They are generally polymers such as carbohydrates, proteins, nucleic acids, etc. So the answer for this question is option C. A is 1, 4 and B is 2, 3, 5 from the given 5 statements. Question number 28. Secondary growth brought about by vascular cambium in dicot is a type of. In arithmetic growth, the cell divides giving rise to two daughter cells from which only one daughter cell continues to divide while other differentiate and matures to become permanent cell. This kind of growth rate is shown by meristematic cells. Plasticity is a ability of tissue to form different structures in response to environmental conditions. Senescence is the deterioration phase with respect to aging of cell or tissue or an organism. So the answer is option C, arithmetic growth. Question number 29. Determine the correct sequence of process of nutrition in a human being. See the statements which are given here. The step involved in the process of digestion of food are as follows. First process, mastication of food in the mouth by teeth and formation of bolus. Second process deglutition, passage of bolus through the esophagus with the help of a peristaltic movement of esophagus. Entry of food into the stomach is third process. Grinding of food by the muscular wall of stomach and its mixing with gastric juices leading to formation of chyme. Fourth process is passage of food and digestion of food in the small intestine, which is the most coiled part of the alimentary canal. Fifth process is passage of unabsorbed and undigested food in the cecum of the large intestine. So the answer for this question is option C. So that is orderly given. Question number 30. The acid concentration in CAM plants is more at crassulacean acid metabolism. It is generally called as CAM pathway occur in succulent plants. Carbon dioxide is fixed during the night in the absence of light to malic acid via PEP carboxylase. This carbon dioxide comes from respiration as also from the atmosphere. Malic acid gets stored in vacuoles during the night, which is decarboxylated to release during the day. Formation of malic acid during dark is called as acidification or phase 1. Release for actual photosynthesis during day is called deacidification or phase 2. The CAM plants also contain the enzyme of Calvin cycle. Thus, during daytime, malic acid breaks into pyruvate and carbon dioxide. While carbon dioxide enters the Calvin cycle, pyruvate is used up to regenerate PEP. The succulents, therefore, synthesize plenty of organic acids from carbon dioxide during night when stoma are open, and plenty of carbohydrates during the daytime when stoma are closed. So the answer for this question is option B, night time. Question number 31. Which of the following processes produce the maximum amount of ATP on the aerobic breakdown of one molecule of glucose? The energy produced during the breakdown of one molecule glucose in electron transport system contributes the maximum amount of ATP in Krebs cycle. According to about 34 ATP molecules, glycolysis yield 2 ATP and one glucose molecule breakdown and two Krebs cycle produce up to 4 ATP molecules. So the answer is option C, electron transport system. Question number 32. The difference shown in the morphology of leaf during the developmental stages will be in plasticity is an ability of the plants to modify their structural and physiological properties in response to the environmental conditions. Heteropily is one such example where the shape of leaves of plants are different in juvenile stage and different in their mature stage. The examples of such plasticity is cotton, larkspur, and coriander. Answer is option B, cotton and larkspur. Question number 33. Identify the biocatalyst that helps in obtaining the connecting link between glycolysis and Krebs cycle. Two molecules of pyruvate are formed by the glycolytic reaction occurring in the cytosol of the cell. The pyruvate molecule then enters the mitochondrial matrix where it is converted to acetyl CoA by a reaction known as oxidative decarboxylation in the presence of oxidizing agent NAD+. The enzyme responsible for this reaction is pyruvate dehydrogenase and the cofactor is magnesium 2 plus. So the answer for this question is option C, pyruvate dehydrogenase. Question number 34. In the hypothesis given by Peter Mitchell, where will we observe the accumulation of hydrogen ions that is generally called as protons in the cell? According to the chemiosmotic hypothesis, the splitting of water molecule occurs in the lumen of thylakoid, hence leading to the accumulation of proton ions in the lumen itself. This creates the proton gradient across membrane leading to the ATPase pump activity. So the answer is option B, lumen of thylakoid. Question number 35. Which of these will be seen our respiratory system? The trachea, primary, secondary and tertiary bronchi are supported by incomplete cartilaginous rings. Each terminal bronchiole gives rise to a number of very thin, irregular walled and vascularized bag-like structures called as alveoli made up of squamous epithelium. Alveolar walls contain elastic fibers which stretch during inspiration and recoil during expiration to help force out of air. This elasticity allows alveoli to expand according to the volume of air breathed in. So the answer for this question is option B. From the given statements, statement 1 and 3 will be seen in our respiratory system. Question number 36. Determine the wrong statements with respect to the nucleated blood cells. Here there are four statements are given. The most abundant leukocyte is called as neutrophil, is granulocyte, while the least abundant leukocyte is basophil, is also granulocyte. The largest leukocyte is monocyte and an agranulocyte, while the smallest leukocyte is lymphocyte, is also an agranulocyte. Phagocytic leukocytes are neutrophils, recently called as granulocyte, and monocyte, agranulocyte. Polymorphonuclear leukocytes are commonly called as neutrophils, are the largest granulocyte, while the largest agranulocyte is monocyte, has a kidney-shaped nucleus. So the answer for this question is option D. Given four statements, statement 1 and statement 3 are wrong statements with respect to the nucleated blood cells. Question number 37. The correct order of response of organs for increasing blood pressure is decrease in blood pressure or GFR. In response to decrease in blood pressure or GFR, that means glomerular filtration rate, the kidneys release renin. Renin acts on the liver and converts angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1 in the lungs, and angiotensin 1 is converted to angiotensin 2 with the help of angiotensin converting enzyme. Angiotensin 2 is a vasoconstrictor and also stimulates the adrenal gland, which releases aldosterone. Aldosterone acts on kidney and helps in absorption of sodium ions. Thus, this mechanism increases blood pressure. So the correct sequence is option A: kidney, liver, lungs, adrenal gland, kidney. That is the correct order. Question number 38. Match the following and choose the correct option. See the column 1 and column 2. Ball and socket joint found in humerus and pectoral girdle. Hinge joint found in knee. Pivot joint found in atlas and axis. Saddle joint, carpal and metacarpal of thumb. So the correctly matching option is option A. Question number 39. Which of the following regions of brain is incorrectly paired with its function? The cerebellum is involved in the coordination of voluntary motor movement, balance, and equilibrium, and not language comprehension. It is located just above the brainstem and toward the back of the brain. So the answer for this question is option B. Cerebellum, language comprehension is given. So that is incorrectly paired. Question number 40. Select the correct description regarding the chemical messengers released by glands found on top of kidney. Aldosterone stimulates the reabsorption of sodium and water from renal tubules. Glucocorticoid inhibit cellular uptake and utilization of amino acids. Aldosterone help in the maintenance of body fluid volume, electrolysis, osmotic pressure, and blood pressure. So the answer for this question is option B. Cortisol is a major glucocorticoid. Question number 41. Which of the following is correct for lens focusing while seeing a distant object? Human eye have remarkable power of accommodation by changing the convexity of the lens due to action of the muscles of ciliary body and suspensory ligaments. The focal length of the lens can be changed. Then the objects can be focused in different intensity of light from varying distances. For accommodation of distant object, ciliary muscles are relaxed and suspensory ligaments are tightly stretched. So the answer for this question is option C. Relaxed ciliary muscles and tightly stretched suspensory ligaments. Question number 42. In which of the following joints will restricted movement be observed? The joint present between adjacent vertebrae is known as cartilaginous joint. The bones involved in this type of joint are connected together with the help of cartilage. These joints allow only limited range of movement. The answer is option B. Joint present between adjacent vertebrae. Question number 43. A and B are peptide hormones known to contract each other. Both of them are secreted by different cells of the same leaf-like organ found near the stomach. If B is used to cure a disease in which glucose is lost via urine and excess A is a potential cause of the same disease, identify A and B. The alpha cells of the islets of Langerhans are responsible for secretion of glucagon. Glucagon is responsible for glycogenolysis, hence it causes hyperglycemia. The beta cells of the islets of Langerhans are responsible for secretion of insulin. Insulin is responsible for glycogenesis and hence caused hypoglycemia. Insulin therapy is used to treat diabetes mellitus. which is associated with loss of glucose through urine and the formation of harmful compounds known as ketone bodies due to prolonged hyperglycemia. So the answer for this question is option C. A represent glucagon, B represent insulin. Question number 44. Incorrect statements about heart are, here there are four statements are given. So the answer for this question is option A. From the given four statements, statement 1 and 3 are incorrect about heart. Question number 45. Vital capacity is sum of. Vital capacity is the maximum volume of air a person can breathe in after a forced expiration. This includes expiratory reserve volume, tidal volume, and inspiratory reserve volume can also be represented as the maximum volume of air a person can breathe out after a forced inspiration. So the answer is option B. Tidal volume, inspiratory reserve volume, and expiratory reserve volume. Question number 46. Find the odd one out from the following. Glucocorticoids, mineralocorticoids, sex corticoids are hormones of adrenal cortex of adrenal gland, noradrenaline or norepinephrine. Epinephrine, adrenaline are hormones of adrenal medulla or adrenal gland, relaxin, estrogen, progesterone are hormone of female glands, that is female gonads. Insulin and glucagon are hormones of pancreas, and thymosin is a hormone of thymus gland. So the answer for this question is option D. Insulin, glucagon, thymosin. That is hard one. Question number 47. Select the statement that is correct regarding Hornatotoki and Teltotoki. Parthenogenesis is the process of formation of organism from the egg without fertilization. In Teletoki, only females are produced by parthenogenesis. Example, whiptail lizards. In Hornatoki, only males are produced by parthenogenesis. Example, male honeybee. It is commonly called as drone. So the answer for this question is option A. In Hornatoki, only males are produced by parthenogenesis, while in Teltoki, only females are produced by parthenogenesis. Question number 48. Which of these flowers will be largest in size? Flowers are pollinated by birds are called as ornithopilus flowers. They have corolla tube formed by the fusion of petals. This allows the beak of the bird to be placed in the flower. They have a large amount of nectar. They are without since the birds cannot smell. Insect pollinated flowers are called as entomopilus flowers, will be bright colored and with sweet smell. Bat pollinated flowers are called as chiropteropilus. Flowers are generally white flowers with rotting fruit odor. Wind pollinated flowers are called as anemopilus. Flowers are small, not colored, and not fragrant. So the answer for this question is option C. Ornithophilus flowers. Question number 49. To enhance the chances of pollination, which of the following is provided by Amorphophallus to the pollinating agent? Amorphophallus is named so because of the prominent spadix. It is the tallest flower, about 6 feet tall. They provide the site for laying eggs for the insects that pollinate it. So the answer for this question is option D. Safe place to lay eggs. Question number 50. Determine the incorrect statements regarding the process of female gamete production. Here there are four statements are given. First one, no more oogonia are added to the ovary after birth. Third point, the fluid filled cavity present in the tertiary follicle is called as antrum. Fourth one, the secondary oocyte forms a membrane called zona pellucida around it. So the answer for this question is option B. From the given four statements, first, third, and fourth regarding female gamete production. Question number 51. Oral birth control pill which is not a steroid is Saheli or hormeloxifene or centochromine is a selective estrogen receptor modulator. It is a non-steroidal oral contraceptive pill to be consumed once a week. It was developed by Central Drug Research Institute CDRI in Lucknow, India. So the answer is option D, Saheli. Question number 52. When transfer of pollen grains occur over the surface of water, it is called entomopily is pollination by insects. Mymercopily is pollination by ants. The pollination which takes place on the surface of water is called as epihydropily. The pollination which takes place inside the water is called as hypohydropily. In Vallisneria, the female flower reach the surface of water by a long stalk and the male flower or pollen grains are released onto the surface of water. Thus it shows epihydropily. So the answer is option B, epihydropily. Question number 53. With respect to blood groups, the person having dash blood group is definitely homozygous. ABO blood group system is controlled by there are three different alleles I power A, I power B, and I. Person with blood group A may have genotype I power A, I power A, or I power A, I. Person with blood group B may have genotypes I power B, I power B, or I power B, I. Person with blood group O genotype is II. Both are recessive homozygous. So the answer for this question is option D, blood group O. Question number 54. The assisted reproductive technology process called GIFT uses. GIFT stands for gamete intrafallopian tube transfer. It is an assisted reproductive technology used in females who cannot produce an ovum but are capable of providing the necessary conditions for fertilization and implantation. In this technique, the ovum is collected from the donor female and it is transported to the fallopian tube of the mother. So the answer for this question is option C, transfer of ovum collected from donor to the fallopian tube. Question number 55. In a Mendelian dihybrid class, when heterozygous round yellow seeded plants were self crossed, round green seeded offsprings are represented by the genotype. In a Mendelian dihybrid class, when heterozygous round yellow seeded plants are self crossed, round green seeds offsprings are represented by capital R, small y, capital R, small y genotypes. So the answer for this question is option D. Question number 56. The wrong statement about fertilization or post fertilization changes in human is. During fertilization, the sperm first comes in contact with zona pellucida layer of the ovum. Certain enzymes are released by the acrosome of the sperm. These enzymes cause certain changes in the zona pellucida layer. Thus, the entry of further sperms is prevented. So, the answer for this question is option B. During fertilization, the sperm comes in contact with cell membrane of ovum first. So, that is the wrong statement. Question number 57. The given pedigree chart shows the inheritance of which of the following Mendelian disorders? See, the disorders. Sickle cell anemia is an autosome linked recessive trait that can be transmitted from parent to the offspring when both the partners are carriers from the gene. The disease is controlled by a single gene pair HBA and HBS. So the answer for this question is option C, autosomal recessive trait sickle cell anemia. Question number 58. Alpha globin production for hemoglobin is controlled by. In alpha thalassemia, production of alpha globin chain is affected, while in beta thalassemia, production of beta globin chain is affected. Alpha thalassemia is controlled by two closely linked genes, HBA1 and HBA2 on chromosome 16 of each parent, while beta thalassemia is controlled by a single gene, HBB, on chromosome 11 of each parent. So the answer for this question is option D, two genes located on chromosome 16. Question number 59. In which part of the sperm will be find a huge quantity of organelles nicknamed powerhouse of the cell? The middle piece of the sperm contains numerous mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. These mitochondria supply sperm with the energy while it requires for its motility and fertilizing capacity. So the answer for this question is option D, the middle piece. Question number 60. Apomixis, in which the nucellular tissue cells form embryos, is shown by. In citrus, the nucellular cells diploid in nature protrude in the embryo sac and develop many embryos. This phenomena is called as polyembryony. Since such seeds are formed with fertilization, they are also called apomictic seeds. So the answer for this question is option C, lemon. Question number 61. Which of the following laws do not show any deviation? Codominance and incomplete dominance are the exceptions to the law of dominance. Linkage is the exception to law of independent assortment. Law of segregation, it is service called as law of purity of gametes, which states that in a hybrid the members of an allelic pair stay together without mixing and separate or segregate independently during gamete formation has no exceptions. So the answer is option B, law of purity of gametes. Question number 62. Which of the following description of eye color is true for fruit fly? In Drosophila melanogaster, the genes for eye color as well as body color is located on X chromosomes. Red eye color is dominant while white eye color is recessive. Brown body color is dominant while yellow body color is recessive. These two genes were used by Morgan to study linkage. So the answer for this question is option D. Red eye color is dominant over white eye color and its gene is located on X chromosome. Question number 63. How many nuclei are involved in the process of fertilization in the flowering plants? Angiosperms show double fertilization. It is called as syngamy. There is a fusion of one male gamete and one female gamete having one nucleus each. In triple fusion, there is fusion of one male gamete having one nucleus and two polar nuclei. Thus, 5 nuclei, 2 polar nuclei, 1 egg nuclei, 2 male gametes participate in double fertilization. So the answer for this question is option C, 5. Question number 64. Which of these is a non-infectious and non-communicable disease? Sometimes, due to genetic or unknown reasons, the body is unable to differentiate between its own and foreign cells and attacks its own cells. This is known as autoimmunity, and the diseases occurring as a result of this are known as autoimmune diseases. Rheumatoid arthritis is an example of autoimmune disease in humans. Anthrax is caused by Bacillus anthracis. Malaria is caused by Protozoan plasmodium. TB is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Thus, these diseases are infectious and communicable. So, the answer for this question is option C, rheumatoid arthritis. Question number 65. Select the correct sequence of events in a sewage treatment process. The sequence of steps in sewage treatment is as follows. First one is primary treatment. This involves physical removal of all small and large particles from sewage through filtration and sedimentation. Secondary treatment. This involves a constant mechanical agitation of effluent in aeration tank and pumping of air. As a result, there is a growth of useful Aerobiomicromolecules, that is microbes, flocks with consume majority of the oxygen in the effluent and significantly reduce the biological oxygen demand. Passage of effluent into setting tanks where sedimentation of bacterial flocks occurs. This sediment is called the activated sludge. The effluent from the secondary treatment plant is released into natural water bodies. So the answer for this question is option C. That is the correct sequence. Question number 66. Where will be the human insulin found in the genetically altered prokaryote? Human insulin can be produced via genetic engineering by transferring the gene into a bacterial plasmid and getting it expressed. The insulin, the bacteria is produced within the bacterial cytoplasm. So the answer is option A. Genetically engineered bacterial cytoplasm. Question number 67. Hydrox succession and Xerox succession doesn't differ in. Hydrox succession begins in water bodies and continues till mesic conditions are obtained. Xeric succession begins in dry land and continues till mesic conditions are obtained. Mesic condition in both succession is the same, neither too dry nor too wet. The community here is in near equilibrium with the environment and is called climax community. It is a forest. So the answer is option C, climax community. Question number 68. Read the following statement about genetically engineered plants. Select the ones that are advantageous. Genetically modified plants have been useful in many ways. Genetic modifications has made crops more tolerant to abiotic stresses, reduced reliance on chemical pesticides, helped to reduce post harvest losses and increase yield, also enhanced nutritional value of food. So the answer for this question is option A. From the given statements, first, second, and third are the following statements about genetically engineered plants that are more advantageous. Question number 69. Which of the following is commonly called Bacchus yeast? Saccharomyces cerevisiae is commonly known as Bacchus yeast or Brevus yeast. It is used for bread making. It is also used for production of beverages like whiskey, wine, brandy, and rum. It is used for fermenting fruit juices and malted cereals for making ethanol. So the answer is option B. And eukaryote Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Question number 70. Which of the following is found in highest percentage in dry biomass? Dry weight of the organism is the weight after water is removed. Carbon constitutes around 49% of dry weight in organism. Thus, it contributes maximally to dry weight of the organism. Answer is option B, carbon. Question number 71. Which of the following attribute inhibits uncontrolled growth and thus prevents a cell from turning cancerous? The property shown by normal cells by virtue of which contact with other cells inhibits their uncontrolled growth is known as contact inhibition. This property is lost by cancer cells. As a result, they continue to divide and give rise to masses of cells known as tumors. So the answer for this question is option C, contact inhibition. Question number 72. The total dry weight accessible to heterotrophs is an ecosystem will form the gross primary productivity of an ecosystem is the rate of production of organic matter during photosynthesis. A considerable amount of GPP is utilized by plants in respiration. Gross primary productivity minus respiration losses, that is or is the net primary productivity. NPP. It is the available biomass for the consumption to heterotrophs, herbivores, and decomposers. So the answer is option B, net primary productivity. Question number 73. Read the given statements regarding humanization and select option that identifies the correct ones. The antibodies produced in the body against antigen neutralize the pathogenic agent during the initial infection itself and prevent further infection. Third one is hepatitis B vaccine is prepared by using yeast through recombinant DNA technology. So, from the given four statements, statement 1 and 4 are the statements regarding humanization, that is the option that identifies correctly. Question number 74. An example of disease caused by the prokaryotic pathogen is red rot of sugarcane is caused by fungus, late blight of potato is caused by fungus, brown rust of wheat is caused by fungus, black rot of crucifers caused by a bacterium, tobacco mosaic is caused by virus. So the answer for this question is option C, black rot of crucifer. Question number 75. Which of the following statement correctly describes the competitive release? Sometimes a species is restricted to smaller area due to another species which is superior. If the superior species is removed, the competition of the inferior species decreases and they increase in number and covers a wider area. This is called competitive release. So the answer for this question is option C. The expansion of a distribution of species restricted to a small area due to a competitively superior species being experimentally eliminated. Question number 76. The correct chronological arrangement of the following event is the Government of India has passed the Water, that is Prevention and Control of Pollution Act in the year of 1974 to safeguard our water resources. In India, the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act was amended in the year of 1987 to include noise as an air pollutant. The National Forest Policy in the year of 1988 is of India has recommended 33% of forest cover for the plains and 67% for the hills, recognizing the deleterious effects on ozone depletion. An international treaty known as the Montreal Protocol was signed at Montreal, it is in Canada, in the year of 1987, effective in 1989. So the correct sequence is option B. Question number 77. Depending on the quantity of minerals, select the option that has the soil types in correct ascending order. Particle size of a clay is 0.002 mm, while that of 0.0022 to 0.02 mm. The particle size of fine sand is 0.02 to 0.2 mm, while that of coarse sand is 0.2 to 2 mm. So the answer for this question is option B. So that is given in descending order. Question number 78. Determine the correct statement from the given option with respect to an electrostatic precipitator. Electrostatic precipitator has electrodes maintained at many thousand volts. They produce a corona that releases negatively charged electrons which combine with dust particles to give them a negative charge. Grounded collecting plates collect these negatively charged dust particles if the air velocity is low, allowing the dust to fall. So the collecting plates are grounded and collect negatively charged dust particles. Question number 79. In which of the following region exonuclease will cut the DNA? Restriction enzyme belong to a larger class of enzyme called as nucleases. They are of two types, exonucleases and endonucleases. Exonucleases remove nucleotides from the ends of the DNA, whereas endonucleases make cuts at a specific position within the DNA. So the answer is option B, at end of the polynucleotide chain. Question number 80. The connect orders of fossils from lowest cranial capacity to highest cranial capacity. The first hominid was called Homo habilis and his cranial capacity was between 650 to 800 cc. Homo erectus, whose fossils were discovered in Java, had a large brain with cranial capacity of around 900 cc. The Neanderthal man had a cranial capacity of 1400 cc and lived near East and Central Asia. So the answer for this question is option B, Homo habilis, Java man and Neanderthal man. So that is the correct order of fossils from lowest cranial capacity to highest cranial capacity. Question number 81. How much amount of the total oxygen is contributed by the Amazon forest in Earth's atmosphere? Amazon rainforest produces approximately 20% of oxygen in Earth's atmosphere, which is about one fifth of the total oxygen. So the answer is option C, one fifth. Number 82. Which step of protein synthesis is performed by ribosomes? Ribosome holds the mRNA containing the triplet codes for amino acid and arranges the amino acid in a chain during the process of translation, where tRNA brings the specific amino acid bases on the codon sequence. So the answer is option A, assemble amino acids in a chain. Question number 83. Dash has been found to have subspecies, namely Ball, Javan, and Caspian. Recent extinctions of species includes Guaga in Africa, Thylacine in Australia, Steller's sea cow in Russia, the dodo, Mauritius, and three subspecies Bali, Javan, Caspian of tiger. So the answer for this question is option B, Panthera tigris. Question number 84. TA plasmid is found in. TA plasmid of Agrobacterium is a natural gene transfer tool used by the bacteria to induce a tumor or into the host plant. The TA plasmid is used as vector to transfer the gene of interest into the plant and develop transgenic plant. So the answer for this question is option D, Agrobacterium tumefaciens. Question number 85. Read the below statements about the structure of genetic material and identify the correct ones. Adenine and guanine are purines which has two ring structures, whereas thymine, uracil and cytosine are pyrimidines having single ring structure. The nucleotide of DNA and RNA are not same as the sugar molecule is different. Ribose in RNA and deoxyribose in DNA. So the answer for this question is option D. From the given statements, first, third and fourth only given about the structure of genetic material, correct ones. Question number 86. In Miller's experiment, dash was not used. Stanley Miller created electric discharge in a closed flask containing methane, hydrogen, ammonia, and water vapor at 800 degrees Celsius. He simulated early Earth's atmosphere and was able to get amino acids. Thus, he experimentally proved the life originated from inorganic matter. So, the answer is option D. In Miller's experiment, nitrogen was not used. Question number 87. Genetic engineering is involved in a technique to alter the chemistry of genetic material, either DNA and RNA, to introduce these into host organism and thus change the phenotype of the host organism come under genetic engineering. Statement 1 is only one where the gene is manipulated artificially to get desired effect. Selective breeding can be considered as a gene manipulation, but there is no control on outcome but chance. So the answer for this question is option D. From the given four statements, statement 1 is genetic engineering involved. Question number 88. Which of the following is most effective way to conserve plant diversity of an area? Biosphere reserves are multi-purpose protected area which are meant for preserving genetic diversity in representative ecosystems of various natural biomes and unique biological communities. So the answer for this question is option C, biosphere reserves. Question number 89. The anticodon of tRNA coding for alanine was found to be GGU. What will be the triplet sequence on the antisense strand of DNA? Anticodon is the triplet found on tRNA, which is complementary to mRNA, and the mRNA is complementary to the template, that is antisense DNA strand used in transcription. Thus, the sequence of tRNA will be same as the template DNA, only interchanging T and U. So, tRNA anticodon CGU will have DNA triplet as CGT. So, the answer is option C, CGT. Question number 90 is the last question. Theory of origin of species by Darwin and Wallace does not explain all of these except Darwin's theory on origin of species states that over reproduction and the absence of available resources causes struggle for existence. In the struggle for existence, nature will select those organisms with favorable variations. So that means survival of the fittest, continuous environmental changes along with natural selection lead to the origin of species. So the answer for this question is option D, the cause of struggle for existence. Thank you very much for listening our videos. Those who are watching our videos, you are requested to like, subscribe and share to your friends. All the best.